If you have noticed, there's a calmness in the air. The skies are sunny and blue. There's brightness all over. OwnPassive founders, this is the calm before the storm. Very soon this calmness is going to be replaced. If you look in the sky, you will see clouds forming on the horizon. You will feel the temperature changing. There's a calmness and tranquility in the air. The excitement in OwnPassive is building up. Like the clouds are building up in a storm when it approaches. But this storm that is brewing is not going to be a destructive storm. This storm will arrive on the certain March 30th, 2022. OwnPassive is this storm that is about to hit with a tremendous force, a force that has never, ever been experienced before. OwnPassive is this giant storm that is soon to hit the earth. The calmness that we see and feel that is all over the world is soon to be replaced by OwnPassive, the giant storm. The meteorologists have been tracking this storm called OwnPassive for quite some time. It started out as just a small disturbance, barely picked up by radar. But as time went by, it became obvious that this was no small disturbance. But have no fear. This storm is going to be for the benefit of humanity. You will not have to put in your house or tie down your lawn furniture. You will not have to board up your homes to keep the winds and the rain from coming into your house. You will not have to worry about flooding and damage from torrential rains and destructive winds. This storm is different. The OwnPassive storm is scheduled to arrive on March 30th, time 10 AM EDT 2022. Will be from the top of this world. It will be just a precursor of something even more spectacular, just a few days after the top. The storm that will hit. Unlike destructive storms, the OwnPassive storm is going to benefit humanity by showering humanity with the gifts that will change the lives of millions of people. March 30th, 2022 will just open the floodgates barely. But what is brewing and coming up behind this initial arrival of OwnPassive will help millions of people. So, leave your raincoats in the house. Leave your umbrellas in the house. And sit back and watch what is about to happen on March 30th, 2022. When the OwnPassive storm reaches the top. After that phenomenal happening, the world will be able to see OwnPassive from the sky. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mufareh and family and staff for this massive storm called OwnPassive.